Hello friends, today I have a question based on newer anti-tubercle drug. So the clinical based question, if we have a 35-year-old man with pulmonary tuberculosis, remains sputum positive despite standard therapy, drug susceptibility testing confirm multi-drug resistant tuberculosis, that is MDR-TB, which drug act by inhibiting mycolic acid synthesis and is specifically approved for MDR-TB. The options are delamanid, linezolid, rifampicin, and ethambutol. I give you a few more seconds to think, write down the answer in your copy, then I'll proceed for the discussion. Well, it's a pure pharmacology question. I hope by now you have written the answer. The answer is delamanid. Okay. Why? Well, this is a nitroimidazole antimycobacterial drug. It is used in the treatment of multi-drug resistant tuberculosis. It inhibits synthesis of methoxy and keto mycolic acid, which is the essential component of mycobacterial cell wall. Well, loss of mycolic acid weakens the cell wall and lead to bacterial death. It administered in combination with other anti-tubercular drugs to prevent resistance. One of the important side effects is prolonged QT interval requiring ECG monitoring. The golden line to remember is delamanid MDR drug that inhibits mycolic acid synthesis but may prolong QT interval. Thank you very much. Well, we upload question of the day video every day at 9 p.m. on our YouTube channel, Dr. Bhatia Academy. For any query, please contact my staff. Number is given. If you have any query about the question or the topic or any other query, you can very well send your query to that number and I'll be very happy to reply to your queries. Don't forget to write your name and your college name. Thank you very much for watching this video.